Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I'm gonna try the crayon trick on this boat right here. I've seen it all over social media. I just didn't have nothing to try it on at the time, but now that I do, I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's crank up the old torch here. Crank that up. Heat this boat up real good. You can see it's never been off. It's like it's on there. Alright, heat it up. Hopefully just the heat alone does it. We'll see. The flame went out. There we go. Turn it down just a bit of a tad. All right there. Yeah, if this works, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm trying to get this boat out. So let's see. Where's my crayon? We're going with pink. Well, maybe it ain't hot enough. Well, she's hot. Heat up a little more. But I don't think the white's gonna have anything to do with it because it's, well, maybe so. Alright, got a good melted on there. Put the socket on. I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other. Are you serious? Effortless. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. I'm telling you guys, get you a crayon if you get a stuck boat. Heat that sucker up, put some wax on it. She's coming right out. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and hope everybody has a happy new year. And God bless.